Do you have naturally curly hair that's dry and always frizzy? Does it seem to have a mind of its own and never wants to cooperate with you? And you just don't know what to do with it now? Most likely, you're not following the curly girl method. But don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm going to be teaching you the 7 rules to the curly girl method, and by the end of the video, you'll have a clear roadmap for healthy curly hair. Hey, I'm Jala, welcome back to my channel. Today is all about the curly girl method. I'm going to break it down for you in simple terms so even beginners can learn and understand. Basically, I'm just going to tell you the foundations of what you need to know. Yes, there is a lot more out there that has to do with how to take care of natural curly hair and lots more to the curly girl method, but these are the basic principles and I'm going to give them to you right now. So, what is the curly girl method? Well, the curly girl method is a way to take care of curly hair developed by Lauren Massey. She wrote a book called The Curly Girl Handbook. She is the founder of DevaCurl, which is a curly hair brand. You might have heard of it before. Basically, the principles she speaks about in her book have laid the foundation for how curly hair is treated and seen today. It has really shaped the curly hair community, and lots of other methods stem from the curly girl method. So, here are 7 rules of the curly girl method that you need to know and implement to get healthy curly hair. Number 1 is don't use heat. You are going to get rid of everything that could possibly cause heat damage to your hair. So that means no straightening your hair, no curling your hair, no using wands, no blow drying your hair on a hot setting or diffusing your hair in a hot setting. Use the cool. And that also means when you take a shower to wash your hair, don't use scalding hot water. A good rule of thumb is if it's too hot for the back of your hand, then it's too hot for your hair. Curly hair is naturally dry, and heat only further causes it to be dry and can cause damage, and that's not what we want, especially when we're trying to get beautiful bouncy curls. Number 2, you're gonna find products with no sulfates, silicones, parabens, mineral oils, or anything of the sort, and drying alcohols. You're going to use a sulfate-free shampoo or a cleansing conditioner. Sulfates are harsh detergents found in common shampoos. And so if you're a curly girl, you cannot just go to the store and pick up any shampoo on the shelf. It's not gonna be good for your hair, most likely. Sulfates strip your hair of its natural oils. And since, like I said, curly hair is naturally dry, it's not good for your hair. It strips your hair of moisture, leaving it lackluster, dull, and even more dry and brittle. Not what we want. Cleansing conditioners are another option. These are conditioners that contain mild cleansing agents in them. They're nourishing and moisturizing for the hair. Now, when it comes to silicones, these are mostly found in conditioners and styling products. They're kind of like a plastic coat for your hair, not allowing any moisture to penetrate your hair shaft, leaving your hair, like you guessed it, dry. So basically, in the curly girl method, you're not going to use any products or ingredients in your products that are not water soluble. That means it doesn't dissolve in water. Silicones coat your hair. They don't wash out with just water, and they require sulfate shampoos to be removed from your hair. Silicones block moisture, and so do heavy butters and oils, so you're gonna wanna avoid those as well. That includes like shea butter and coconut oil. Just avoid them. Oil and water don't mix. They coat your hair. It's not good. Don't use them. And when it comes to drying alcohols, these are mostly found in gels. Number 3, put away your combs and brushes. Do not comb and brush your curly hair. This disrupts the curl pattern, causing frizz, breakage, and even more dryness. Now that you're following the curly girl method, you're only gonna detangle your hair when it's soaking wet and it's smothered in conditioner, aka when you wash your hair in the shower. And you're going to learn to finger detangle your hair. It's the best for your hair. Yes, I think you need to learn it. Yes, you can also use a Y2 comb, but I highly recommend that you learn to finger detangle because it's something you need as a curly girl. Number 4, no super tight braids, ponytails, or buns. And I say this to you as I'm currently wearing my hair in a bun. Eek. This is a lot more easier said than done. I'm gonna be trying to find out more hairstyles so I can share with you guys and to use on myself because a lot of times we just don't feel like doing our hair, we throw it up into a bun. And not all buns are bad, but when you currently pull and tug on your hair, and especially if they're tight, it causes breakage, and that's not what we want. It also pulls on your edges, and your hair just needs to breathe, honestly. That's something I have learned after doing my hair. My hair just wants to be itself and be down and just breathe. So don't try to contain it all the time, let it be free. Number 4, you are never going to use a regular towel to dry your hair ever again. It will not come into contact with your curls. Why? Because the little fibers on the towels yank and pull on your hair and your curls can get stuck in them, causing breakage, dryness, etc, etc, etc. Instead, you're going to use a plain cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel to dry your hair. Ta-da. Number 6, you're going to use a leave-in conditioner when you go to style your hair. Never again, ever again, will you wash your hair and let it dry with no product in it. You will never do this again, ever. ever, you have to moisturize curly hair. Conditioner is your best friend. Conditioner is your best friend, your BFF. If you have curly hair, you must use it, and you must use it often, and you must use it consistently. Keeping your hair moisturized is a very important key, if not the most important, to healthy curly hair. You're going to use a leave-in conditioner after you get done washing your hair, and then you're going to let it dry like that. And there are also other products like styling creams and gels and mousses, but the main thing is you must use a leave-in at the very least, and the other products, use one or a couple of them afterwards. Like for me, I use a leave-in and then I put my styler on after that. And number 7 is to be consistent. Okay, like I said, keeping your hair moisturized is a big key. Another thing that's equally as important is being consistent. And to do that, you're gonna keep yourself motivated by looking on Pinterest at people with beautiful curly hair, or watching YouTube videos of people with curly hair. But you're going to learn to love and to embrace your hair. And if you do this, I'm telling you, this will make your life so much easier. Your journey will be so much easier to stick to, and you'll want to actually take care of your hair if you learn to embrace your curls and love who God made you to be. And I firmly believe that it'll be so much easier. So please learn to love your curls. But guess what? You just learned the 7 rules of the curly girl method, and now you can go on your way and start your healthy hair journey. Awesome, right? Thank you so much for watching. What I want you to do now is watch part 2 of this video. I'm gonna give you the step-by-step of how to actually start the curly girl method and implement the steps. I'm gonna walk you through, like, you know that you don't need certain products. I'm gonna show you what you need to do now, what your next steps are. I want you to watch that video. I hope you enjoyed this video though. Leave a like if you found value in it. Subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to all you wonderful people next time. Bye.
Here we go.